Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today it is very cold and snowy outside, but also sunny, as you can see. It looks very nice. I love snow weather. I will show you a solution or some solutions that I found for technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I will appreciate your support. The video help you? I hope it did, and if it did really, please consider subscribing my channel. I will appreciate your support in this lovely weather. See you later again. Bye.